Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese from scratch. First, you'll need 1 gallon of fresh whole milk, a mesophilic starter culture, and rennet. Sanitize all your tools thoroughly, including a large stainless steel pot, a thermometer, and cheesecloth. This preparation is crucial for successful cheese making and ensures a safe, delicious product. Let's get started by warming our milk. Once your milk reaches 86 degrees Fahrenheit, gently stir in your starter culture. After about 1 hour, dilute 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet in a small amount of cool water, then add it to the milk. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for 45 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a clean break forms when you insert a knife. Now, carefully cut the firm curds into 1/2-inch cubes. Slowly raise the temperature to 100 degrees Fahrenheit over 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent matting. This helps expel whey. Once cooked, drain the curds through cheesecloth. Gather the cheesecloth and press the curds under about 10 pounds of weight for several hours. After pressing, remove your cheese and rub its surface with about 1 tablespoon of fine salt. This adds flavor and helps preserve it. Now, age your cheese in a cool, humid place, ideally between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 to 4 weeks. Remember to turn it daily. For more great tips and to check out some amazing deals, including a link for those fantastic darn tough socks, be sure to look in the description below. Enjoy your homemade cheese.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.